welcome to another vlog. I'm happy that you're here. This morning, when I woke up, I was so surprised to see that it started to snow. So it's the first winter snow this year, and it's only still end of November. So very unexpected. Anyway, when it snows in Germany, it reminds me so much of Brother Grimm's fairy tales that I was reading when I was a small child. And it just looks so magical and whimsical, almost unbelievable that I'm now in Germany and it's snowing. And I was reading German fairy tales when I was small. So to celebrate the first snow, I had to go out. So I went to the park and it was just beautiful because everything was covered in snow, but still with yellow leaves peeking out. And then there were like squirrels and little ducks. It was very, very sweet, very, very cute. Anyway, to go back to the beginning, to the morning. So when I woke up and I saw it snowing, I was even more happy when I saw my little squirrel coming in the snow that I give her food. She brings me so much joy and happiness with her sweet little cute face and her sweet little ears and fluffy tail. So I gave her food and then I checked my phone and I opened my YouTube Studio app and then I realized that I got monetized. Yes, I got monetized, my friends. Officially monetized. So it just sounds unbelievable because I started this channel in April 2021 and I started it as a creative outlet where I will just practice my love for filmmaking and storytelling. I never thought that it will become such a big passion of mine. So the more I was making videos, the more I fell in love with it. I just wanted to continue. And now, 18 months later or something like that, I got monetized. And my friends, I want to thank to all of you, for every comment, for every like that you give, for all the time that you spent with me enjoying my videos. I'm so happy and grateful for you being here because without you, this would have not happened. So thank you. Thank you, my friends. And this day, my friends, this Sunday, it's not only special because of the first snow and because I got monetized, but also because today is the first Sunday Advent this year. So don't worry if you don't know what is Advent, what is Sunday Advent. So before I met my husband Ugi, who is Catholic, I also didn't know what is Sunday Advent, but don't worry, I will explain you. So Advent crown or Advent wreath belongs to Catholic tradition and it symbolizes the endless life or the continuous changing of the seasons. That's why the circle. And 4 Sundays that lead to Christmas, every Sunday one candle is lit that symbolizes something. One candle symbolizes hope, the second one joy, the third one faith, and the fourth one peace. So it's a really, really very nice tradition. And this year I thought to make my own Advent wreath. I thought maybe not to make it as a circle, but to give myself a bit of creative freedom and make it a bit different. So I hope it will look good and I hope you will like it. And because this Sunday, it's such a beautiful day. We have a first snow, we got monetized, we have Advent Sunday. I also thought to make one carrot cake, a gluten-free carrot cake. I only made this recipe once and it turned out okay. But I'm really not very good at baking, so I hope this time it will also work out good because I really have very little experience in baking. Very festive and very happy day. So my friends, get yourself cozy and enjoy the video. Schönen ersten Advent!
Happy monetization!
Thank you, Mugi. Thank you. Cheers, Mugi.
Cheers!
For Advent and monetization. Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
Happy Advent.